remain, that whatsoever ye shall ask of the Father in my name, he may give it to you.
Voilà. Sa scripture, ye have not chosen me, ine kisa ki gado. Mas may degtak ya, sabi to, mawiki wa mater, mo kisa ki gado. Sabi to, mo kisa ki amoro hiwa, mo kiki do akir ki, alo de sa ni roko. Father mus waktu you kisa ki en, asa ni roko. Sabi to,
Sumala yung Father wakti yung atay
Father
pag-usa.
after na na nga sumaawan. Sumaawan ni. Sabi to.
Revelation chapter 11, verse 11. And after 3 days and a half, the Spirit of life from the Most High entered into them, and they stood upon their feet, and great fear fell upon them which saw them.
Follow? Dus after 3 days and a half, it represented 350 jari. Sabi to. It represented 350 jari.
Sa katrulis kay off sila Israelita.
Dus baka 350 jari, ukos sa baka tak uno na the chief Israel, the spirit of life entered into them.
Kan.
You follow?
And after 3 days and a half, the Spirit of life from the Most High entered into them, and they stood upon their feet, and great fear fell upon them which saw them.
See? And great fear fell upon them which saw them, and that itak abra the Edomites. Sukan am the witmang. Sabi to, am na demonstrate eroko na nga prophecies po a Bible. Sabi to, nung may ko sitak the chief Israel wiki ko sitak no. Di may ko sap sumana din, dus da, di may bigit reformatory ko nunutak wabik tumuro tranga. Sabi to, wabik push a mark of the beast, or the microchip. Sabi to, wabik set warrior, sabi to, sabi to, Donald Trump say city, sabi to, wabik go in a war. Sabi to, want rule, the man nga hindi kita ko was it one new world order. Ma a new world order, or si wan sirip na yaaw ba, siyem yaaw siya, nga di electing rule. Sabi to, that o di a or si new world order. Sabi to, ate yaaw siya yung kuha mo ko sit order tapagron tapo.
Kan.
Sabi to,
In righteousness.
kan.
Wickedness no demoro.
Sabi to, ano a world wicked. Sabi to, is confusion. Manangamang throw na nga throw. Alay sa na confusion. Sabi to, Yusrif na sub same to. So man that makes so mga frustrated. Oh, tala kami no sub sa member beer. Ay, blamuro betul.
Yeah to.
It's the most is willing. Isa pa to, they alimat na yaw ba, yaw siya doang alimat. Sabi to, make them up to. They follow. There's no they wait man. They make ko sub sumana uno and they may bigi Friday. When they mas sabit batak, they will bigi ko sub tak sumana uno. They mas sabit tak awan sa karye sa sentruning na yahaw siya. They lekja. Sabi to,
Kan.
they lekja.
This is Revelation 12 and 12. Therefore rejoice, ye heavens, and ye that dwell in them. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil is come down unto you, having great wrath, because he knoweth that he had but a short time.
Follow? And that na the sukan am the witman. Follow to. Just rejoice ye heavens, that na the angels, they may rejoice. Isabi to. When the angels ref, the angels ref want a kingdom. Isabi to, the angels ref sa rita ko alo wicked no sere on nga. Isabi to. Want a kingdom yere yaw bash yaw
Siya ay
siya.
pagiging uno tayo man na pagiging pagiging mo tayo tsara sa listo to kung indo.
Ano na yaw? Yahaw wakti amuro hiwang. Isabi to, yahaw siya isref no. Yahaw siya isref no sabadi. Yahaw siya isref like intercourse pagiging de elect.
Ako sa isang pagiging ko kung sa Sunday niya so. Kasi amasay ka ang Jesus Debas ta Jesus na kuha mga sa limang perfect poti. Rooms Catholic apos panye ko tapagro tapo sara na maibigay ko pawalo kaya kinanga Jesus et it's inyanya des mamuni. Sabi to. Kada des may do. Jesus na one demon. Jesus na one demon. Yahweh Shai.
King of Kings.
At na ene. Lord of Lords. Garo na Yahweh Shai. Ano Jesus? Jesus na kuha pegot.
Yeah.
Homosexual. Yeah.
Demon straight up.
At nagkalaman, nag-machine. Kaya kami mga dara may kimlo ko ala ni kerki boy sa idin kerki. Palang pa ni may mesyo.
My feminine.
Sa pato, ala yung ko pa ni may do mesyo tayo de bruku tayo de bere.
Ay.
M bruk, bigilak. Kinamota ka nga nga ni dala siya yung tudwor pa Jesus na bla bla bla. No, may no umas manolog mga sa idulog mesyos. Daro make it the last that umas ma o save do te do siya power of the real map gado.
Kan. Sabi to, nalegja.
Ini tag daw dolong ko baka masaap mo ni nangagudo no. Nuno de delong baka masaap mo nangagudo. Mat the destruction o kodok na suma o masig din at dake dolong ko. No no de kame começar lek nya mata rilo doro dok. Umasma lo comfort, umasma no lo pina. Daarom mek ina in de tennis nooit umasma want anga poti. Omdat des man want ko suffer. They want tak in aben direct.
Ja toch.
Stone lang e futu direct.
Samen to demo.
San mus go you bon direct.
Comfortabel.
En dat do sha pot des er stak ete mo plaka mandisyon. Sano go mi bon direct. Want do sha glory. No no de ne sino an glory. No de ne sino an glory de sulek low level.
Physical glue daw
See? Physical glue. Yo see. Daarom ik samoro you want taki.
Ja, daar is scripture.
Ai go ahead.
This is the book of Isaiah chapter 13 and 12. I will make a man more precious than fine gold.
You see, amoro you want that I will make a man more precious than fine gold. Then you see echt fine gold to me man, 24, 30, 50 karat toch? Ino man look at hoe je zit boy. En af de fuse shake go toch? Of kan je op de man op zo go to na TV? Staff go to, ik dat boy dan pino staff boy. You see, na so idea ni man dat boy dan pino staff go to. Maar amoro you want that I'll make one man, want true man kado, more precious, more waardevol, more fine gold. En umasma lokte wa ma e shine.
Ja toch.
En na unudo long color tuele a ukisa power.
Ja. Zie, I will make a man more precious than fine gold, even a man than the golden wedge of Ophir.
En offer na wa ekte dier precious stone. You see, wa waarde stone sa diri bijna like diamond. You see? Amoro hiyo se tu combo me man. You abi freebie, do sa amoro hiyo tak fi do.
I think
You see? Up feet. Dat na alasan mo man. Drai ba kagagron ta liba gron ta plibija. Isabi to. You up euro ko to euro ko fi kafen you daily bread. Man next fa gron ta puja no man do next gi. Next ano man do gi. Dai mi sayo abi na gron ta puda OYP insan. Wis ade tak libis may lomba ka gron tap sa mo apwa wagi masawa go dugi. Nakuna for plus food dape go dape in 5 minutes moro snel. May no man yameng. You is iti ka del your last moro money tapaway.
God.
Yeah, man. Rems.
Dai gi mi na
Machine,
to you
body.
apwa wagi. No man no tap i apwa wagi dano pung. Material no apwa wagi. You want play siki ma ay mo ibu apwa wagi yere. Mayo moro lasi so me may re wagi jaso na nga presis banko SRD inesaka. So ga tank.
Ja man.
Mi abden leng ref mi dat sana so de my life. De ma wasi wet de mo grosit jo ay mo start at itsi. Ay mo rezu ko ap tiroko. Ma de ma scare tawagi broko mi mam. De 60 cylinder de under de wagi dat broko. Na you way later under. Ma ano tati abe ano bung, ma if ade tat ino abe ebe, no long fet ne baka if au kong if ano kong da inom abi.
Yeah, to.
Malo, bago
Si-
ito. Ate mato di there.
Ala de sanat na grotap dudumi mang.
Na father egi.
Padre ki ay teki. Maya papales man idlo ni baka no mo.
Hyper.
Ikan bayan tide kung watralo mangiray ko na iblam. Papa may fura of the matuwa sana niya. Isi, wat ino nga trosa farker dyan uno de. Yung pa yung pas pa brecho wagi. Kung may ray ko krabi. Sa ibay SD and so lang nga ibay wagi brecho anak walisi anabawarda dat moro.
God.
Dahil kimi na pa abasem warda dat moro no. Ine shele ka wagi sa ibay 20 dusundala. Dus nuno de sa ikan duna po na amoro hiwa mi ma. Nasukup spargudu tapagudu tapuja. Masukup spargudu in heaven. Pe ascrivi na Bible tak te spargudu in heaven ina email na bit. Tok. No man broko ko teke en anoma frustu en anoma pori. Jaso desan make it black one day ko no mo sa o frustu. Tok. Au kono mo sa furma o broko ko ini oso. No fet baka gono tap gudu. Fet baka a wisdom na nga knowledge fu yawo pa sum yawo shai. Kan. Isi ala de business pa gono tapunya na jado utang. We see up business ino madu next ala di toki abif nya drink. Na su marale sanat na netolos. Kaya gimi F Melina. Kaya gimi F up 20 oso sa yo maduang ala dito. Yo man staying alamala. Me sorry to. Man libis man mo del pen no mo abi. No mano takinom abi, masuka wisdom fu amoro hiwang. Si yesu ko o money o business talk na watrani fo fi ek motokong sano do next fu de sana na may ko kanit fu ala de business fee. Madi ibe din ibe daiteng ibe lo itu walo san. Ay nasa san say kadu i abwaro ko ibayi sa niya itringi meri crossing. Abba. Mina so melibi. Isabito. Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 32 verse 2. And a man shall be as a hiding place from the wind, and a comfort from the tempest, as rivers of water in a dry place, as the shadow of a great rock in a weary land.
Zie, read it again.
Isaiah chapter 32 verse 2. And a man shall be as a hiding place from the wind and a comfort from tempest.
Follow this one man who delit one beskerming. Follow so. And that ano one hoon man, one man of the Lord. Sabi to elect men. Who's a man? Sabi to. O dili ko kibri presi gisuma gid pro. Follow to one pro safe too. Sabi to.
From the wind and a comfort from the tempest.
Follow this the mo dili ko wa kibri presi te wan tranga wiki o wai ko. Sabi to of ti wa wasane psa. Sabi to wasane ko bir. Apa
Winti
si
na te representa destruction.
Siya yato at this
Tanu
time.
permission on clock man nga winti ay po to ka radiation yato.
So metin all hello break loose. Sabi to udita pa burnt. Follow to udita pa burnt fu all hello all hello break loose. Ay. Sabi to.
As the shadow of a great rock in a weary land.
Kenapa lagu dia? Play kanap bulan.
Ko fa to ala to.
So bigi mo ro ko may wala nga scale sabi ko.
Follow to this no. Give me seek the Lord while he may be found.
Ezekiel chapter 55 verse 6. Seek ye the Lord Yahweh while he may be found.
See?
Call ye upon him while he is near.
Read it again. After back.
Seek ye the Lord while he may be found.
Follow the seek ye the Lord while he may be found. For the give me revelation. Sabi to seek the Lord while he may be found. Sabi to no like the prophets we words who the people found that usuku amoro he wan pe a defend ite. Sabi to no walos may do walo wickedness. Sabi to dino sab serif sa no sab sa iguan. Follow dino sab serif tag der do all of the legja. Like they do walo po shop. Sabi to do as thou will. Sabi to life goes on and on. You only live once ang adiwati. Mala this matod de so. Sabi to.
Revelation.
Seek ye the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near.
He call you upon him while he is near. Sabi to this met andro da award amoro he want de patrik bar ite. Mat one thing ko pe amoro he want osen wa hongers do for the word to pay. Sabi to later she umoro ta pa street and prophesy.
Very soon.
Sabi to na lecture Lord willing to enter to dia to enter april pa de mantat. Sabi to mo block walo video and no may bigi doing pa. Sabi to no may bigi doing pa, may bigi block walo video pa. We follow this Lord willing sabi to. Spirit sabi to put up the with mang tak the mang close sa internet sa photo tak block ala the video and that is the famine of the world. Sabi to this the scripture tak seek the Lord while he may be found. Sabi to. And susagide elect. Sabi to anda di elect ko seek Yahweh bashim lao siya. Sabi to and ang una deja tugi alas.
This is Revelation 22 verse 7. Behold, I come quickly. Blessed is he that keepeth the sayings of the prophecy of this book. Behold, I come quickly. Blessed is he that keepeth the sayings of the prophecy of this book.
Behold, I come quickly and there is Yahushua speaking. Sabi to, this na awan sabi ka Jesus and truning na Yahushua itagja. Isa amatak luku. Sabi to, may cause snell. You follow?
Behold, I come quickly. Blessed is he that keepeth the sayings of the prophecy of this book.
Blessed is he that keepeth the sayings, sabi to, of the prophecy of this book. You follow? Blessed na de wants de alert, watch, look up the prophecies for a Bible.
Yung Bible.
Sabi to. Blessed na de mati.
Elisa.
You follow? At de alert, de up to date, and metak na nga di elect. Sabi to. Yung upalak ko kuso. Yung wasa yung kunin video. Sabi to, de alert, watch. You follow? Watch for the prophecies for sa ekong. At uno like the watchman. Sabi to, uno na eluko ala day. A moment so wiki orti blam, look say sa, sabi to oh so Trump do. Sabi to oh so. Sabi to no. Russia, sabi to na may bigi citizens to. Sabi to, they may bigi prepare, walo may bigi prepare for war. They follow to. Yaw ba siya puta spirit nung tap ala the nations, ala the heathen. Libi si prophecy po available for fully ni ay matokis man o masye in. Sabi to, the serie amoro hiwan ni deal lang adis mati. They follow to. And Babylon yaw ba siya sumet in Babylon over nito. Malik patron tapi ame mekyasani. Sabi to, ding tak ay, sabi to, ala the transitions e prepare, ala the trakondre prepare, e set this rep the war. Sabi to, Donald Trump waman amay di ko. Sabi to, America way di ko, tak
Like no mesel no para in Amerika.
Yato. Memang, ala di may prepare yan. Ala may prepare.
Takto nga sanop sa pades mamusbas kairam des revi sa pato. Sabi patag deno si dem tek dede. Don sabi to, pa am de may sorry pa America proud.
Yeah.
Ay bigis boy. De mane bigye tay giras matang all hello break loose here. Bigye sa tu reviere po ko kibriwan na anytime. Next me mama ala de kondre sa des revi de tay de burkers de inde kondre da kay de alert jere. Matuno de no ongoing sanip sanuno de bigye sa tu revi. America wa proud. Arong big talk.
Well, the billionaire na.
So mati demo dire, so mati demo will destroy. Give me Isaiah chapter 47. Isaiah 47 go ahead.
Jeremiah 31.
Breakdown of Isaiah 47. Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 47. Come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon.
She come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon. Virgin, dat nooit, een virgin wat ik maak, omdat zij nooit een kondre boss Amerika. Nooit een missile padon tapi in Amerika. Is dat beter? Maar zo meteen. Je volgt en een scripture tak van, come down and sit in the dust, meaning be destroyed. Is dat beter? Verwoesting die akondre dat. Je volgt want volgens de Bijbel, Amerika Babylon or destroy by eternal nuclear fire. Go ahead.
Come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon. Sit on the ground. There is no throne, O daughter of the Chaldeans. For thou shalt no more be called tender and delicate.
Sabi to, thou shalt no more be called tender and delicate. Met andere woorden, no man o karaki akondre dat aki ay Amerika yung great city. Sabi to, walos mo gwa Amerika. Sabi to, walos mo gwa Amerika tak iya na great city. So metindi no kareng great city mo want offer nito. Go ahead.
Verse 2. Take the millstone and grind meal, uncover thy locks, make bare the neck, uncover the high pass over the rivers. Thy nakedness shall be uncovered, yea, thy shame shall be seen.
Wala and no ay nakedness for Amerika ay uncover. Because si batak Amerika ay kondre dat Babylon na wicked kondre dapat. Sabi to, alas may because si batak no Amerika na moro wicked kondre tapay hergron tap. Sabi to, thy shame shall be seen. Go ahead.
I will take vengeance,
How I will take vengeance, Brock.
and I will not meet thee as a man.
I will not meet the SMN. Stay yawo siya kung baka sa wikarisa sa entruning na yawo siya. Sabi to, tamo kung baka amano kulik wakun malik destalis pa mambe ko. Sabi to, likwan lam. Sabi to, mamo atuy dali sa mo kung amo kulik wan lion. Sabi to, nga leong. Follow ay naman ko play. Go ahead.
As for our Redeemer, the Lord Yahweh of hosts is his name, the Holy One of Israel.
And ano ka Holy One po alas mata pa po. The
Holy
Holy
One
One of Israel.
Lasher Allah.
Ending rin ang ating ingi. This is Psalm 137 verse 7. Remember, O Lord Yahweh, the children of Edom in the day of Jerusalem, who said, raise it, even to the foundation thereof.
Man, raise it. Sabi to, na may day tak na mo tarul forever. Follow man that sa kindi pataki, remember the children of Edom. Sabi to,
So can have the
Whitman, kan.
Verse 8, O daughter of Babylon, who are to be destroyed.
See, who are to be destroyed. And so metin Babylon, Amerika offer nito. Isabi to, gides masay watch nu sa de op de hoogte van tak derde wereldoorlog op het. If we want sap suma wini a Babylon gieng, Babylon en dat na Amerikang. Isabi to,
Suma olasi lang.
suma olasi dan. Isabi to.
En suma offer ni tag-ilang man.
Ay. Betul lah. Suma offer ni tagila man, Babylon, Amerikang. That great city. Isabi to.
O daughter of Babylon,
Kan.
who are to be destroyed,
Kan.
happy shall he be that rewarded thee as thou hast served us.
Happy shall he be that rewarded thee. Di follow to. Omdat de ma reward kuno di sukan am de wit man de ma reward kuno nang slavernij. Isabi no. De ma pot kuno isabi to apollo ku Israel gu slavernij de sukan am de ningre nang de ingi. Masumetin amoro hiwa upay dem baka. Isabi to. Man de ma bi pay fu a wickedness sa de man tu. Di follow?
Back to Isaiah.
Verse 9. Happy shall he be that taketh and dasheth thy little ones against the stones. Psalm 137 verse 9. Happy shall he be, amoro iwang, that taketh and dasheth thy little ones against the stones.
We're going to take you, you little baby white devils, you Edomite. Isabi to. We're going to dash your heads against the stones. Isabi to.
They attack so that they attack, Paul, no, ano kang, moro hiwang ka take the chibibi na masik.
Maar het script ja zo Psalm 147 vers 9. Vers 137 vers 9.
Happy shall he be na ingot doen so meteen. Omdat na moro hiwang be cover the wet man fu dash den nengre na de ingi de baby ede na stong in slavernij. En nou de baka na de mang en nou si. Asa na persis sa nego.
Payback.
Matin na di des mo si alasma. Alasma no masif. Den nengre na de ingi wa o save. The rest o destroy and the rest of slavernij yung so talibi. Natatabe ba taki? If you anu nengre of wa ingi ika viro fa sima natatabe ba taki? Wa ko so dai take o pangagado masay di me kistela Bible so up. Of stela libi so up. You see? Kasi naman doing moro he want play film na film we play gomita einde.
Dus ala trafal about the
Ala trapolog de mo bu slavernij.
They want to know the kingdom.
See? Roots to div demo to ko boro ko baka entero ko boro ko baka wat naman tusuyari demo gu slavernij. Tere mo ko boro ko baka na slavernij demo ko boro ko baka. Yo dog. Di uno ko boro ko mima. Pe u ko boro ko. U ko boro ko da u pananengre en na ingi da u ko mita ma apon pigi badri. Ano yung chibro ko dosu u ko boro ko. Ano na slavernij u ko boro ko do. Wabi tanya mas termal godoro. Ya to na por si so demo ko boro ko bo a kingdom fu uno.
Ya. Buruk tangannya ini dari kena.
See? Happy shall he be that taketh and dasheth thy little ones against the stones. You see? En atru terang apiere. See? Atru terang apiere. Yaman. Man inoman to next against atru. Kadu sangi atru man inoman de against atru. See, go ahead.
This one that assignment to Tajamaya Udian Slapanay. Second Esdras chapter 50, verse 20. Behold, said the Most High, I will call together all the kings of the earth to reverence me, which are from the rising of the sun, from the south, from the east, and Libanus to turn themselves against one another and repay the things that they have done unto them.
Dus de ala de sansa de zogenaamde witman doen naar de chief Israël.
Nga de transition to.
Isabi to de transition to. Isabi to ala de heathens. Ala de heathens, the non-Israelites. Isabi to ala de sansa de man doanga uno doanga de mabaka.
Kan.
Isabi to give me Revelation 18.
Like as they do yet this day unto my chosen, so will I do also and recompense in their bosom. Thus said the Lord Yahweh Power.
Praise Elizabeth.
Like as they do yet this day,
Yet this day, tena de today.
De ma iya de mai pinaw ete.
Sabi ko.
Ja toch?
Yet this day, and like it says in Baruch 2, we are yet this day in our captivity. You see, go ahead.
Like as they do yet this day unto my chosen,
Unto my chosen, who is the Lord's chosen? So follow. The Israelite. So kanam den lingere nang adiin. Go ahead.
so will I do also a recompense in their bosom. Thus said the Lord Yahweh power.
You see, dus like pa so kanam de with man the heathen. Sabi to, vernietig apollo ku Israel. Na persis so de mo vernietig. Amoro hiwo puta spirit of the Israelite ku vernietig ala de heathens. Put the in slavery, hardcore bondage.
This is Revelation 18